Okay, friends, find the limit of this equation. Limit as x goes to 3. So this is a little bit harder than the previous ones. So let's do it. You can pause the video, friends, and try it on your own, because this is examinable, friends. So let's look at the equation again. So friends, let's see something. If you can substitute direct 3 into this, so it's 9 minus 3 squared, which is 9, so it's 0, and 4 minus square root of x, which is squared, which if you put 3, then it will be 3 squared. 9 plus 7, it will be square root of 16, and if that one is, if you square it, will be 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0, so it's like this. So this we said is undefined, and we said thou shall never divide by 0. So this is wrong. Don't do just direct substitution. So if such a thing happens, we said you just have to simplify, like write it in another way, another form. So we talked about rationalizing the denominator. So if you want to watch about this, watch the first video where we had the concepts and the properties of limits. So, but let's proceed and see how we can go about this. So let's just copy it first. We will rationalize before solving it. Rationalize the denominator. So what you do here, you are going to divide to multiply the denominator with a positive sign here, both sides, like with a positive sign here. You multiply up and down. So it's the same as you have done nothing, because if you multiply something by something, I mean, if you divide something by something, the same thing, then it's 1, so it's nothing. So let's say, so it will be x so we said you are going to multiply here. So let's multiply it. So this is, so it will be 4 plus so you see this, friends, it's the same as this. Can let me show you. This can cancel, so it's just 1. So 1 times this is it's the same thing. So that's why we say it's like you have done nothing on it, but it helps to solve the limit. So if you have done that, friends, then let's try to simplify it further. So let's first do the denominator and maintain the numerator, so it will be times, let's just put this, so if you try to distribute everything, like to expand this, like this going to this and this and this and this, then you get, let's do it. So it's 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times this is equal to plus 4 squared 7, and this times 4, so it's minus so and this times this times this, it will give you that one squared, but it will have a negative sign, so it is so that's how you solve this. So you put squared here, don't forget that. So after this, then you can cancel out that those that can be cancelled. You see this can cancel with this, is equal to 0, so you remain with nine minus x squared Remember, friends, that we are just simplifying, but the work is to find the limit. So write the limit here as x goes to 3. So let's now copy that can remain, so it will be 16 minus, so if you see this square root, square and square root, they will cancel, remaining with x plus 7. And this bracket is outside, so it's x squared plus 7. So now, friends, you continue simplifying until it is simple for you. I mean, these things, if you bear patience and continue simplifying, if you are doing them properly, you find that you find a way of cancelling things from the top and the bottom. That's normally most of the questions are like that. So you just have to be careful when you are doing them, so that you find that. So here then 16, you are going to distribute the minus sign into the bracket, so it will be minus x squared and minus 7. So after that, friends, then you will so it's 9 minus x squared minus 4 plus squared plus 7. So 16 minus 7, this, it will give you 9. So it will be 9 minus x squared. So if you reach this stage, now you can cancel out. So you are going to remain with so if you reach this, then you can go ahead and substitute things there. So limit, so you put here, you put 3. So you're going to get 4 plus square root of 3 squared. We said 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 7, it's 16. So then 16 squared is equal to 4. So the answer is 4. No, sorry friends, we are not subtracting. Yeah, so it's 8. So be careful friends, it's 8.